My name is Noah Croom, and I am the Senior Vice President and Legal Counsel of Lift Sports Management. I must commend them all. I have never met a nicer group of people. They were extremely kind and welcoming and felt like home, quite frankly. And so whether it was the volunteers, who obviously have invested their blood, sweat, and tears in the construction of this beautiful facility, my host, even the other visitors, everyone could not have been nicer to me and my son. It left me with a very warm feeling. The people who have built this have volunteered their time, invested weeks, months, and some of them years of their own time, and yet they've opened it to the community at large, and I think it's a beautiful thing. So a place like this, where many members of the community can come together, really serves to preserve those traditions and pass them on to the next generation.